Dzień dobry Państwu, Bartosz Awianowicz. Witam sprzed dawnej Akademii Pruskiej, Preußische Akademie, obecnie Berlin-Brandenburgische Akademie der Wissenschaften, gdzie odbywała się w ostatnich dniach znakomita konferencja, właściwie warsztaty, workshop Corpus Numorum na temat Digital Numismatics, na temat konkretnie strony Corpus Numorum poświęconej mennictwu prowincjonalnemu, na razie 4 prowincji. Były to bardzo udane dni, ważny rzeczywiście obrad, a kolejne wydarzenie, które tutaj ma miejsce, to spotkanie ACCS Network, czyli sieci kontaktów powołanej i finansowanej przez Fundację Humboldtów do badania, wyszukiwania fałszerstw monet antycznych. Oto przed nami workshop poświęcony Corpus Numorum, znakomitemu projektowi realizowanemu głównie w Berlin-Brandenburgische Akademie der Wissenschaften, i zaprezentuję Państwu kilka urywków z referatów, które były tam prezentowane.
And the shields and spears still can be recognized. In the last years, there have been a large number of new finds of such.
And the law has tools for bulk processes, like create records with images, import images, or replace data in a group of records. You can propagate data across multiple coins, types, mints, etc. And the law is connected to the wall. For numismatics, the law has ontology, a definition, configuration, as I explained before, naming numis data to create a schema to manage catalog, types, coins, legends, designs, finds, mints, etc.
Corpus Numorum, because we have this wonderful structure, but I wanted it already to fill out all the fields. So if I would start all over again, I would probably use Corpus Numorum from the beginning, but nowadays it's much easier to also be with your phone, go somewhere, I'll go on the website, and I can be in a museum in, I don't know, Sredex, whatever, in Bulgaria, and do that in a glimpse.
Wozoka, which was something we built at the American Numismatic Society with the help of the NEH. And the aim there really was just to stick Roman imperial coinage online.
Especially if dealing with old collections of materials such as that amazed here at the Academy, we have to deal with different sorts of reproduction of original objects.
Coins, it doesn't, that's the top definition, because Getty doesn't cover Byzantine coinage, except for those denominations which already existed in the late Roman system. So again, you're running into problems. It's very, very patchy coverage. You can't do with it. In the Numisma, we are very careful to point out we are referring to a Byzantine coinage, sometimes used for the Roman Billion coins of the Diocletianic reform, etc., etc. So we're being very careful in Numisma, or trying to be very careful to point out.
Dodatkową atrakcją pobytu w Berlinie jest wykład profesora Mittaga z Kolonii, wybitnego specjalisty mennictwa, a przede wszystkim medalierstwa okresu Cesarstwa Rzymskiego, który po opublikowaniu już książek na temat medali Hadriana, na temat medali Antoninusa Piusa jego czasów, teraz mówi w Berlinie na temat medali okresu panowania dynastii Sewerów. Jesteśmy już wewnątrz budynku Berlin-Brandenburgische Akademie der Wissenschaften i oto program ACCSN Round Table, okrągłego stołu poświęconego fałszerstwom. Za mną wspaniała klatka schodowa Akademii. A w sali konferencyjnej będziemy rozmawiać o tym, jak identyfikować fałszerstwa antyczne, co dalej z nimi robić. Miejsce jest nieprzypadkowe, ponieważ projekt jest współfinansowany przez Akademię, a i przede wszystkim przez Fundację Humboldtów.
Contributions of Professor Bartosz Adrianowicz, myself and our young colleague Stanimir Metodiev, who made presentations on development of concept of forgeries throughout the centuries, and it really sparkled a vivid discussion, including also students.
The environment of a beared coin provide for material to be deposited on the excavation coin. So I didn't have anybody who has an excavation sample. You can send me a spoonful of it. I would be very interested what it looks like.
It's cold process. Manual presses are also used in this process. With a quick pressure or blow, the core is absolutely preheated in this technology. The next stage is manual finishing to hide the marks from the machines. Finally, it's processed for aging and patination. Some other methods are forming from non-metallic cores and covering them with metal. So we have the core which is soft inside, and outside you have the small metal plating. If you use the destructive analysis method, it's very easily discovering that behind this state form. Here you see a pair of molds for casting, paraffin positive. Also coin dies engraving on cylinder of soft metal, casting and electrotype, and you see just the traces of the mold. It's not terminated.
Absolutely perfect. So we need more repairs, more elements to be sure that it goes about fake, about forgery.
Czas wracać. Do zobaczenia.